Hello dears, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaw Sahel. I have experience more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Chrome browser, I'm going to show you how you can manage your tabs. Here we have 3 tabs available, and if I want to move this tab to the right side or this tab to the left side, what I can do here is that I'm going to hold my mouse key and I'm going to drag it on the right side, just like this. And if I create this new tab and I want to move this on the left, simple, I'm going to hold my mouse key again and I'm going to drag it on the left. And if I'm going to drag this out from here to a new window, simple, I'm going to hold my mouse key again and I'm going to move it out, just like this. I can put this here as well on this window, and if I move it out, it's going to be a single window. But if I'm going to release the mouse key, now it is this window. And if I want to move this again, so I can put this on the list, I cannot do that. But I can close this one. You can grab a new one and drag it out, just like this. When you drag it out and you didn't release the mouse key, you can put that here in this window. Just like this, we can manage our tabs with the Google Chrome browser. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.